Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this new model I designed recently. Check it out. It's an origami flicker, and this kind of looks like a knot right here. So here's the two loops and the knot in the middle. And yeah, and it flies like an awesome flicker. Check this out. Ooh yeah. Ooh. Alright, ready to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this flicker I used a 6-inch square of origami paper that's red on one side and yellow on the other. So that gave me a yellow flicker with a red ribbon or whatever that is. But for this tutorial I'm going to use a 10-inch square of kami. So let's begin colored side up, and we're gonna fold in half diagonally. And fold in half the other way. And unfold, and now turn over, and now we're gonna fold this raw edge up. How much? Well, this is gonna be the ribbon. So yeah, this will give me a white flicker with a colored ribbon. So fold this up, and it looks better if you fold it up less, but it'll probably be a little bit easier if you fold it up more. But I say if you're using 10-inch kami, I say probably about like this is probably good. And make sure you try and keep it even all the way across. So yeah, about like that. Okay, and now rotate, and we're going to do that 3 more times. So here we go. And on here, there's actually a guide mark. So you can fold this up so that this edge touches. Where'd my little pointer go? Oh, there it is. So we're going to fold it up so that this edge touches that point right there. So this crease hits this edge. And remember, try and keep that fold even all the way across. Alright, and do that 2 more times. So remember, fold it to that point right there, with the guide mark. Alright, and fold it up so it touches these 2 points. So they're on both sides this time. The guide marks. Alright, and now turn over, and now we're going to make a fish face. So we're going to fold this edge to the crease, and you could fold all the way across, but I'm just going to fold to this fold right here. See? Just like that. Or from the fold to there, doesn't matter. And unfold and fold this edge to here. And same thing, you could just fold all the way across, but I'm just going to fold from this crease to here. See? Just like this. And now unfold, and now let's make those 2 folds at the same time, like this. And flatten this flap up like this, and down like this. Okay, and I'll keep it like that for now, and do the same thing on this side. So fold like this, and I'm just going to fold to that crease or from that crease to there. But you can fold all the way across if you want. And same on this side. Okay, I'm going to kind of fix this point. Okay, just if that corner gets kind of like this, just pull it out like that. Alright? And make sure it's like that on this side too. Let's do the rabbit ear first. So flatten it both ways like this. Okay. And oh, it's already like that. Alright. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, let me zoom in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner right here, not this corner, but this corner right here. And we're gonna fold it to this corner right there. Alright, just like this. And you could fold all the way across, but I'm just gonna fold on this left side. So from this crease to here. So just like that. But it probably wouldn't hurt if you fold all the way across. And unfold, and now same on this side. So fold this corner to this point. And it probably wouldn't hurt if you fold all the way across, but I'm just gonna fold from this fold to the right. Like that. And unfold, and now let's make the rabbit. Oh, got kind of deformed right there. Okay, and now let's make the rabbit ear. So, like this. Actually, making the rabbit ear is actually not necessary, but I like to do that just for the heck of it. Okay, and now unfold that rabbit ear. And now, we're gonna turn over and we're gonna kind of unfold right here. And see these creases right here? It kind of almost looks like a heart. We're gonna pinch those mountains. So get our pinchers and let's start pinching the creases. Like this. Alright, so that's what it looks like so far. I'm gonna say this is probably the hardest step of the whole model. And now this crease and this crease, those are gonna be valleys. So we're gonna take this edge and fold it to the middle crease, like this. So folding on this fold, like this, and same on this side. Alright, and it's okay if this point right here gets kind of messy. We're gonna be getting rid of that point, so it doesn't matter if it's messy or not. Okay, and now just collapse everything together like this. So we have this point sticking up here, and fold it to the right like this, and make sure this point stays up like this. And we're gonna take this point and we're gonna stick it into this left pocket right here. So open up the pocket and stick that point in just like that. Alright, and now you can fold this flap down like this. And repeat on this side. So, let's make the point neat right here. Okay, so take, sorry about that. Okay, take this corner and fold it to this point. And I'm just going to fold from here to here. But you can fold all the way across if you want. And same on this side. So fold this point to here. And I'm just going to fold on the right side like that. I'm going to fold to here. Alright. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to make a rabbit ear. But you don't need to do it. Okay. And now unfold. And now let's do the tricky step. So we're going to sink it. So, okay. Pinch the fold like this. Alright. And then now fold valleys on these two creases. Alright, like that. And then flatten everything like this. Oh, make sure that point stays inside. Okay, and fold these points up, just keep them out of the way. And then take this point and fold it over like this and stick it into the left pocket. Like that. Okay, now make sure these two flaps, they're folded in the opposite direction. So this flap is facing the right and this bottom flap is facing the left. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this point and we're going to fold it up to here. Like this. And unfold that. And we're going to open it up like this. And we're going to squash. Just like this. Okay. And now take this edge and fold it to the crease. And repeat on this side. And yeah, I noticed that on this model, see there's kind of an opening inside the loop right here because I folded this edge up so small. But on this one I folded it up just a tad too big, so there's not going to be any opening. So if you fold it too big, there won't be an opening, so that's why I told you it'll look better if you fold it up smaller. But yeah. Okay. And repeat on this side. And I'll go ahead and fast forward this. Well, I guess I won't fast forward. But I'll go at my normal speed. Alright, and there's our knot right here. So here's the two loops and the knot in the middle. And yeah. And we're almost done. We just need to shape it a little bit so it flies. This step is what makes it fly better. So turn over. And we're going to take this point, and I'm starting with this bulky one, so fold it up about like this. Okay, just about like that is good. It's to taste. And same all the way around. Alright, and just crease those nice and sharp. And once you did that, we're done. So here it is. The origami knot flicker. And alright, let's see how it flies. Okay, so to fly this model, it's just like an ordinary flicker. And since I made this one out of 10-inch paper, this one actually flies good like a frisbee. So first I'll show you how to fly the one from 6-inch paper, which is a flicker, and then I'll show you how to fly this one like a frisbee. So to fly as a flicker, you just hold it. You can pretty much hold it anywhere, and you just have to find the sweet spot. So hold it like this and flick it like this. Oh yeah, just like that. So that's how you fly it like a flicker. And how to fly it as a frisbee, you can just hold it like this and fly it like a frisbee. Oh yeah. Ooh. Alright, now fly it as a flicker again. Ooh. Alright, and then one more time as a frisbee. Ooh. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and hope you enjoy flying it, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.